Hello everybody, and happy spring. I don't know if you can hear all the birds singing, but there are a lot of them today. So we are going to talk about using the revision history in the Elementor page builder. Now, if you know us, you know that we love Elementor. It's a great way to make a really custom looking website without a lot of custom code. One of the fun things about Elementor is that you can experiment with designs. And if you're using it, you may have wanted to try some things, but been afraid that you were going to, lose track of where you were and lose other work that you'd done and all of that. And just like with any WordPress page, sometimes you get afraid of making a mistake. So in the previous video, we told you about the WordPress revision history that's baked into the Gutenberg or the Blocks page editor. Today, we're going to focus just on the Elementor piece of things. It's a little bit different, but still really easy. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the pages list, and let's find the page we want to work on. We're going to work on our home page. Just click that, and this will take me to the Blocks editor. Now, there is a revision history over here, same place that it is for pages that are made in Blocks. But if you click that and you kind of toggle through, you'll see that nothing shows up here. It's because all of the revisions for Elementor pages are kept in Elementor. So let's go back to the editor. Click the Edit with Elementor button to open up the Elementor page builder. I'll cover this in another video, but this is really important. If a page is made in Elementor, stay in Elementor. And now let's make some changes. Let's remove the word everyday. And maybe let's change this text to check our amazing workshops. Now I haven't clicked update. I haven't done anything to save the page, but if you go down here to this little button here, it says history, kind of looks like a rewind clock. If you click that, you'll see that the changes that I've made are being kept as I make them. So if I click through these, you can see it sort of toggle back. If your left panel looks like this instead, then you probably have a different version of Elementor or maybe an add-on. In that case, just click the Elementor logo in the upper left to find the revision history. If I wanted to at any point, I could click Update, and it would save that version of the page. So let's say that you want to go back even further, something that you had saved before. If you click Revisions up here, it will give you all of the revisions for this page. So let's say that I wanted to revert to a previous version of this page, this one. If I click that, it'll show me what it was before. So now I can just scroll back up here, click Apply, and now that is the current version of my page. Click inside any of the elements and it'll take you back to the edit screens. And that is the Elementor revision history. So go ahead, get creative. Don't be afraid to try new things because you can always roll back and look at other versions. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, reach out if you have questions. We're always happy to help. In the meantime, please click subscribe for more super fast WordPress tips. Thanks.